We're going to perform a trace on this flowchart, which means that we're going to be executing the instructions step by step. So in order to do that, we have in the trace portion here, we list the two variables being used in the flowchart. They will show their current values, and then here, this part here will show the values that will be displayed. So now we're going to start. First thing to do is to initialize the variables. So initial value of c is 1. So here in the trace portion, we're going to put the value 1 to our variable c. And then right below c is equal to 1, we have sum is equal to 0. So here in the trace portion, we're going to put the value 0 for sum. Then we're just going to follow the arrow. Then we arrive at the condition. So the initial value of c is 1. 1 less than or equal to 5 is true. So we just follow the arrow here. This is the true path. Then we have this formula. Sum is equal to sum plus c. So initial value of sum is 0, which will be added to the value of c, which is 1. So that's 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 goes to it will be assigned to the variable sum. So here, we're just going to crush this out, because now our sum, the current value of our sum is 1. Then right below sum is equal to plus sum plus c is c is equal to c plus 1. So the current value of c is 1 plus 1, that's 2. It goes to the variable c. So here, we're just going to crush out this the value of c, the previous value of c, which is 1. It will now be replaced with the new value 2. Then we're just going to follow the arrow, goes up and go back again to the condition. So c is less than or equal to 5. Our c now contains 2. So 2 is less than or equal to 5 is true. We go down here. Then the current value of sum is 1 plus c, which contains 2. That's 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 goes to variable sum. So here, brush this out, replace with 3. Next, current value of c is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 goes to variable c. So we're just going to cancel this out. Now our c contains the current value of 3. Then we go back again, back to the condition. Then this is now, c is now 3. So that's 3 less than or equal to 5. True. So we go here, execute these instructions again. Sum is 3, c is 3, that's 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 goes to the variable sum. So we're just going to crush this out and replace it with 6. Next, current value of c is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 goes to c. So we're going to crush this out and then replace it with the current value 4. Go back again to the condition. This time our c is 4. 4 less than or equal to 5 is true. We're still going to the same path, the true path. And then current value of sum is 6. Current value of c is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 goes to the variable sum. So we're just going to brush this out. Replace it with 10, which is now the new value of sum. Next, the current value of c is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 goes to variable c. Crush this out. Replace with 5. Okay, then go back again to the condition. Current value of c is 5. 5 less than or equal to 5 is still true. So go back again here. Execute again. This is now 10. And this is 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 goes to sum. So we're going to replace this with the new value 15. Next, current value of C is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 goes to C. So we're going to replace this. Our C now contains the new value 6. Then it goes back. Then we evaluate again. C is now 6. 6 is less than or equal to 5 is now false. So now we're going to the false path. And then it simply displays the value of the variable sum, which contains 15. So here now, it will now show our output of, the output 15. So this is the sum. This value is the result of adding the sum of all numbers from 1 to 5. And then right after that, stop. So this indicates the end of the flowchart.